Hello guys, welcome back to the Escapades. Please, if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. So in this episode, I'm going to show you about the new NTSA portal that you'll be able to apply for you'll be able to apply either for the smart DL, the smart driving license, or you'll also be able to update or renew your old driving license. The two driving licenses are almost similar because they have upgraded the system, as I'll show you in the end of this video. So guys, please subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and I hope you enjoy. So when you come onto the platform of this new NTSA platform, you'll be able to see that you are able to see if the driving license is expired. You are also able to apply for a PSV badge in this platform. You can also endorse your PDL. You can also apply for instructor's license. You can also apply for your smart driving license. You can also apply for the provincial driving license. You can also request for a copy of your driving license, and also for foreigners you can also apply for the driving license. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to apply or renew the old driving license, the old one, the red booklet that was initially the official driving license in Kenya. So after you press renew, it's going to prompt you to go to the biodata page. So the system is a bit slow because of the various updates that they are having of late, but just let us give it time. So as we wait for the system, guys, go and watch our previous video on the various updates that have been added onto the Ecitizen platform, guys, and I hope you will enjoy it. And if you have any other suggestions, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section. So yeah, so as we wait, let's see what this system has in store for us. So it takes a bit of time because of the various updates, but here it is, the biodata page. In the biodata page, it's going to ask you a few questions. Some of the questions it's going to ask you is, which license are you renewing? So in this section, let me show you, let me give it a minute or two for it to load. It's taking quite a number of minutes because of the system upgrade. So you are supposed also to note that sometimes you might find that it is not responding at all, so you'll have to be very patient. These updates have taken place in 2023. So the type of renewal, it's going, so you're going to choose the virtual driving license 1-year book. It's going to tell you to select your area of residence, country of residence, which is Kenya, your physical address, and also your physical county where you reside as a person, and also your place of birth. So you are going to fill in as shown below. So this is the bio page. So from there, press next. Then here it's going to request you to add a photo, your passport photo in JPEG format. So you'll have to choose a file. If you're using your computer or your phone, choose a file, yeah, as shown below. Just choose the file that you want. There it is. For me, I've chosen my photo. Then it's going to upload it, then press just next. From there, you're going to accept that all the information I've given is okay. Then go to the payment section, where my form of payment in this case is M-Pesa. So I'm going to select that. After you pay for your application, it's going to process the application, and from there it's going to give you the verified new driving license as shown below. So guys, I hope the video was informative enough. I hope that you're not going to encounter any problems, but in case of anything, you can always comment down below or give me a text, and I'm going to respond to your queries. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.